In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download InShot in Laptop SaaS PC Full Guide 2026. If you want to use InShot on a Windows computer, the easiest place to start is the Microsoft Store. This is the safest and most straightforward option because apps downloaded from the store are installed directly through Windows, which helps reduce compatibility issues and makes updates easier to manage later. To begin, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows PC. You can usually find it by clicking the Start menu and typing Microsoft Store into the search bar. Once the store opens, go to the search field at the top and type in InShot, then press Enter so you can view the available results. When the search results appear, look carefully for an official version of InShot. If you see an official listing, go ahead and select it to open the app page. This is a good time to quickly verify that it looks legitimate and matches the app you want. Using the official listing is important so you avoid downloading the wrong app or an unofficial alternative. Next, click the Install button. Windows will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish. During this part of the process, it's best not to close the Microsoft Store until the installation is complete. Once the installation finishes, you can open the app directly from the store by clicking Open. You may also be able to find it later from your Start menu like any other installed application on your computer. At that point, you're ready to launch InShot and begin using it on your PC. Now, there is one important thing to keep in mind. If you search the Microsoft Store and no official desktop version of InShot appears, that usually means it isn't currently available there for direct Windows installation. In that case, the alternative is to use an Android emulator. An emulator lets your PC run Android apps, which can allow you to access mobile apps like InShot on a laptop or desktop computer. So to recap, open the Microsoft Store, search for InShot, select the official version if it appears, click Install, and then open the app once the setup is complete. And if you don't see an official desktop version, your next option is to use an Android emulator instead. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.